Everything that is explained in this video is summarized from the crypto ticker. Now take a look at this. The SEC drops case against Ripple, and XRP will jump to $15 as soon as Ripple wins the SEC lawsuit in a shocking turn of circumstances that has sent shockwaves throughout the cryptocurrency industry. The Securities and Exchange Commission has announced a startling turn of events that has occurred in the ongoing legal dispute between Ripple Labs and the SEC. XRP prices will skyrocketed to $15, and Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse is celebrating what he refers to as a historic win in the financial industry. What does this mean for the SEC case against Ripple, and does it mark the beginning of the end? April Fool viewers, this information is accurate, and we just bring you this to prank you, and we hope that you had fun with our little joke. Best wishes for April Fool's Day. And we all hope that the XRP and the SEC case will come to an end soon. And also relying on a misunderstanding surrounding the classification of XRP, the Securities and Exchange Commission has decided to withdraw its action against Ripple Labs, which was an unexpected move. Many people have been taken aback by this shocking statement, and industry professionals are speculating about the consequences that this announcement may have for the cryptocurrency market as a whole. Is it possible that this indicates a change in the regulatory approach taken towards digital assets? XR prices are reaching new heights as the news of the news decision made by the SEC circulates the market. The cryptocurrency is currently selling around $15, and investors are rushing to get their hands on it so they can share in the profits. Are those who hold XRP expecting this to be the moment they've been waiting for? Or is it merely a transitory increase that is being fueled by speculation? The CEO of Ripple acknowledges victory and plans for expansion. Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse has issued a triumphal statement in which he declares victory in the legal struggle that he has been engaged in with the SEC. Garlinghouse has revealed that they have big plans for the future of Ripple, including the growth of the company into new areas in cooperation with large financial institutions. These intentions come after the litigation has been resolved. To what extent, however, will Ripple's newly acquired liberty be sufficient to catapult XRP to even higher heights? Now that the case brought by the SEC has been resolved, many people are curious about what the future holds for XRP. If Ripple is successful in court, will this open the door for wider usage of the blockchain technology that it has developed? Alternatively, will the unpredictability of regulatory policies continue to cast a shadow over the prospects of cryptocurrency? Please come along with us as we investigate the potential repercussions that Ripple's legal victory may have on the future of XRP. It is now the year 2024, and it appears that the Ripple Corporation is putting a stop to the chapter of lawsuits it has experienced. Over 2 long years, Ripple may at long last be able to settle with that. Can you tell me what happened with Ripple and when will Ripple settle with the CC? A digital money and payment network, Ripple is a cryptocurrency. A consensus method is utilized between nodes to validate transactions and verify that they are accurate. This system is based on a public database that is shared by all nodes. Ripple is a decentralized digital currency that was developed specifically for use by banks and other financial institutions as a means of facilitating the swift and safe movement of funds between individuals and organizations. In contrast to the majority of other cryptocurrencies, which are decentralized and not controlled by a single body, Ripple is managed by a private firm named Ripple Labs, which operates to make a profit. When did the lawsuit against Ripple get underway? The Securities and Exchange Commission complained about Ripple in December 2020, alleging that the company unauthorizedly sold securities. The veracity of this assertion is questionable. To begin, cryptocurrencies have never been considered securities, and by their very foundation, they are not subject to any kind of regulation. Second, at this point, there are no particular regulations or legislation that pertain to cryptocurrencies. The notion that Ripple was engaged in the trading of unregistered securities is completely ludicrous. On December 2nd, Ripple and the SEC submitted their answers, which had been redacted in support of their applications for summary judgment. This was done as the conflict was getting closer and closer to its final phase. Stuart Alderoty, the general counsel for Ripple, reaffirmed the company's final filing, pleading with the court to hand down a decision that is favorable to the company. In addition, he applauded Ripple for the defense it has done on behalf of the whole digital asset market, stating that it is pleased with the fight it has conducted. Ripple Labs challenged the petition for summary judgment that was submitted by the regulatory body at the end of October. The business stated that it was unable to prove that holders of XRP currency anticipated advantages from the marketing campaigns that the company was undertaking. If the resolution is actually within reach, we can anticipate that it will have an immediate impact on the values of XRP. There is a possibility that the market will be extremely volatile. Therefore, traders should proceed with caution. The price of XRP has the potential to reach a high of between 50 and 60 cents. On the other hand, pumps and dumps could take place, which could result in a significant drop in the value of XRP's price after such news. Charles Hoskinson, the chief executive officer of Cardano, stated that he has heard rumors that legal battle between Ripple and the United States Securities and Exchange Commission, which has been going on for 2 years, could perhaps come to a close on December 15th. According to Hoskinson, the conclusion of the meticulously observed court case may have catastrophic ramifications for the industry as a whole. During the year 2018, Ripple's market value reached an all-time high of $134, making it the third largest cryptocurrency in the market at the moment. XRP investors, however, have shifted their focus to other cryptocurrency projects as a result of its slow development, in addition to the lawsuit filed by the SEC. There was never a time when the Ripple company ceased working on lucrative transactions with major corporations and even countries. However, its market capitalization is still rather low, particularly in light of the present bear market. What's the latest on the case that the SEC has filed against Ripple? The litigation is being won by Ripple, right? This essay on the Ripple SE update will cover everything. So let's get started. There is a catch here. Ripple is a financial technology business in San Francisco that is responsible for the global payment platform known as Ripplenet. To a large extent, they were responsible for the creation of the XRP ledger blockchain and its native coin. XRP, to tell you the truth, the Ripple company was established in 2004, long before the concept of cryptocurrency was even conceived. They were attempting to establish an internet of value and generate their currency at the time, and Ripple Pay was developed as a result of their efforts. In addition, the software was centralized and their network was quite modest. The reason for this is that Ripple Pay amalgamated with another firm named OpenCoin later in the year 2012, and the two companies came together to become what is now known as Ripple. What distinguishes Ripple from its rivals in the industry? Users can send, receive, keep, and move currency across international borders swiftly and dependably thanks to the Ripple initiative. The method that we currently use is not only expensive, but also time-consuming and dependent on payment gateways and banks. The information that has been provided is not intended to be trading advice. There is no responsibility for any investments that are made based on the information that is provided on this page. Before making any decision about investments, we strongly advise conducting independent research and consulting with a knowledgeable professional.